Kettlebell chainsaw row. For our kettlebell chainsaw row, we're going to be in that split stance position, and it's going to give us a little more support because we're going to have that off hand, that off forearm is going to be supported by that lead leg, taking a little bit of that pressure off that low back. I'm going to show you what it's going to look like. So I'm going to grab that kettlebell, load into that split stance position. All right, I want to get that nice forward lean, and instead of being unsupported, what I'm going to do is use this offhand, and I'm going to rest that forearm onto that lead thigh. That's going to give me a little support. Pinch the shoulder blades back together. From here, rolling that kettlebell up nice and tight to the rib cage as I extend back down, keeping that elbow in nice and tight.